talk about income elasticity. So similar to price elasticity, where the change in price changed the quantity, we're looking at how a change in income changes the quantity demanded. So we have a few amount of goods that we previously talked about, right? We've had normal goods and inferior goods. Remember, normal goods basically said, like, if you had more money, what would you do? You would normally buy more stuff. So that's what a normal good is. In terms of the income elasticity formula here, or YED, if we were to do the same thing where we looked at the change in quantity, but now the change in price here, you would get a positive number. More money, so you buy more stuff. Your income is higher, so you're buying more stuff. That is a normal good. If we did the calculation and we got a negative number, this shows us that we had more money, but we buy less things. More money, but you bought less. This is an inferior good. We now have to add two more goods here. These are luxury goods and necessities. So through the process of this formula here, if you got a little bump in the raise and then you went from not buying something to now buying it, that is now considered a luxury good. Because now you have more money, you can afford this luxury item. So therefore it's a luxury good because the YED is greater than 1. We had a big change in quantity because of a change in income. If we had a small change in quantity because income changes, this is a necessity. These are the things that you're already buying, but if you had more money, you would buy more of them. But again, they're necessities. These are the things that you need, so you're already buying them, so your quantity slightly changes whenever these happen. These are the 4 types of goods that we're looking at, all right? A positive number is a normal good. A negative number is an inferior good. A greater than 1 is a luxury. A less than 1, but positive, so 0 point something, is a necessity, all right? So let's look at some examples here, okay? Let's say your income is $45,000. You buy 30 cups of coffee. If your income is 50, you now buy 40. So let's do that calculation. All right, so for the YED, we are looking at the percent change in the quantity because of a percent change in the income. Now, in terms of what happened here in 2024, that's your old, 2025 is the new. So what goes on top? Quantity. We need the new quantity minus the old. So we'll do 40 minus 30 divided by old. New minus old divided by old. We'll do the same for the income. We'll do new minus old divided by old. So we'll do 50,000 minus 45,000. Divide this by 45,000. And if you were to do the math here, 40 minus 30 is 10 divided by 30. 50,000 minus 45,000 is 5,000. And we would divide this by 45,000. Doing this in your calculator, 10 over 30 is 0.33. 5 over 45,000 is 0.11. So doing that, you get 3. Okay. So let's look at this number here. It is, number 1, positive. So that means it's a normal good. And it's 3, so greater than 1. This is a luxury good. So it is a normal luxury good. Okay. Let's do another one. This one, your income was 100,000 and you bought 20 pounds of flour. Your income is now 150,000 and now you buy 25 pounds of flour. So again, same idea with new and old. New minus old divided by old, new minus old, right? But again, quantity always goes on top. So what we're looking at here in terms of the income elasticity is 25 minus 20 over 20, and then we'll do 150,000 over 100,000. So working top down, 25 minus 20 is 5 over 20. 150,000 minus 100,000 is 50,000 over 100,000. 5 over 20 should be 0.25. 50,000 divided by 100,000 is 0.5. And so you should have gotten a 0.5 for your income elasticity. Now again, this is a positive number, so it is a normal good, but it's less than 1, so it is a necessity. Okay? So that's how we determine the difference between a luxury good and a necessity. All right? Normal goods are a positive number. Inferior goods are negative. Anything greater than 1 is a luxury. Anything that is 0 point something is a necessity. So next we're going to talk about what cross-price elasticity is all about. All right?